Based on my information, some of Buju's biggest songs, you either write them or co-wrote them.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Not an easy road.
Yeah, I was a part of
Murderer.
That. Definitely.
Deportee.
That's my song.
True or false?
That's my song.
Deportee.
Buju write a line in the Deportee. That's my song. He wasn't even there when it was written.
So how Buju get the song?
I gave it to him. Because, alright, I write the song in Trinidad. Me and Wayne. We did that, we get a call. Him did that Texas. And we get a call about an individual where I found we are foreign and him end up drop back on the rock. And we and say, see, things change. Alright, and me and Wayne pen the song and I did that vibe. The next day him come and I say, hear this. And I say that bad him like it. Sometimes we don't have nothing too good to give a friend. I mean I'm a bar, I want it. That's how we live at the time.
Yeah, because you say him give you grab it up.
Yeah, me give me the punchline there, yeah. The more the song I give it, and probably change a line or two in it, but the song didn't. I see him, things change. No, this is a life. And my song. Yeah, man.
Come on, come on, yeah.
Yep.
Very true.
But not for the song them to co-write vibes.
Yeah.
You know me, I say, yeah, man, what for the song them, but that in alright. Even the song I say, oh man, oh man, you know. Right back at it. Don't pan the Sheffield, all the liquor rest. I mean, live at Sheffield Road, right? I mean, I get that. Sheffield Road, my mother live. Out of East Kingston, so. Don't pan the Sheffield, all the liquor rest. Who come not to get a Federal Express. Sign up the and dance collect. Yeah, man. Barrel come from down in South Carolina. I just saw you the one on Frankie Sly. Genuine ballet, we did that over the eye. That simple, me the DJ, I'm the gold man, you know. Can't feel mine, you know. Yeah, man.
So you wrote that?
Yeah, man, me and him. Co-wrote, yeah. Because I saw music going on. You see, sometimes when a one man sit down and write a song, it can be bad, you know, but like anything else, two head or three head are better than one.
Which is true. It is true.
So me I say, so if me have an idea, the first man me I go call away and I say, yo, singer, me have a bad idea. And him go so like for instance with 111.
Ambulance.
Yeah, that song there. When I find the idea for that song there, I call away in the morning and I say, yo, singer, me have a bad idea for your song. And I run it by him. Him love it so much, he must say, come check me. No! Not even 10 minutes we take to write that song there. So enough of the song that I write, that's how I used to write. Because two head always are better than one. So I now go take now props. So I say, me write this or me write that, or we write them.
Yes.
Born a right murderer, I don't want to stink like blood clot shit, and I can't even write a good letter.
The media drop on a place named Takamatsu, Tokyo. I mean, get the news on a cell phone, say, Pane did, and I sit down in a hotel lobby. Me, Frankie Sly, and Wayne one and write a song named Murderer.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no stay, you know? Alright? I hope you're in a good health and good strength, you know? Because if you're not in a good health and good strength, remember what you do. Call the doctor, go to the doctor, check the doctor, make the doctor come check you. If you have the money, if you don't have the money, no worry yourself. We go call everybody, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your cousin. We go call every single person on this land if you come check your mental health. Do some wellness check upon your friends and your family. Make sure them alright, because you don't know mental health crisis is no joke. And if today your birthday, happy birthday, guys. Enough respect. Now, guys, the music fraternity turn upside down. Yes, the music fraternity turn upside down. The other day, we find out, say, Bounty Killer have the big C. Yeah, man, the big C. And, you know, he might take care of that. And, you know, the only thing can be done to that is you have to just change certain lifestyle and start to take care of yourself the best you can. Medicine, chemo, and those things will help. However, guys, me don't know who or why did Shaggy put on a pink shirt with flowers span it and some pearl around his neck, send the Jamaican Music Federation, send the Jamaicans in a frenzy. Everybody a talk about it. Every Jamaicans a talk about it. every single Jamaicans are talking about it right now. Most of all, every single Jamaican start to say, Shaggy, I must have fish. Now, guys, let me say this. Me wear pink shirt. Yes, me wear my pink shirt. With flowers span it? No. Me never wear no pink shirt with no flowers span it. Is if me I go wear a pink shirt with flowers span it? No. Me not wear it. Why me not wear it? It too feminine-ish. However, Shaggy, the shirt that Shaggy have on, the see-through shirt with the flowers spanny, me with the belly skin part there, me personally, I wouldn't wear that shirt. However, Shaggy is an entertainer. Listen me good enough. Shaggy is an entertainer. So when Shaggy put on that shirt, Shaggy have a stylish, Shaggy have a manager, Shaggy have every single person there is. We tell him, no, don't put it on. Yes, put it on. When Shaggy publicists tell him to put on that shirt, them know exactly what they are doing because nobody not talk about Shaggy too tough. No, everybody are talk about Shaggy. No, everybody is going to hear more about Shaggy. Only they go hear more about Shaggy and what he was wearing. I was listening to Colin Hines, the captain, and they made a burn him out. Yes, everybody a burn out Shaggy because of what Shaggy are wear. Now, my thing about it is Shaggy is an entertainer, yeah? And if Shaggy put on a shirt like that with some pearl around him neck and come out, him get everybody talking. I wonder if you all see it. Shaggy get everybody talking. Chi-ching ching, chi-ching ching, more money in a Shaggy pocket. Now Shaggy is going to get a lot of phone call about what people would like for him to wear for them. Now Shaggy is going to get a lot of brand deals, a lot of everything because Shaggy is not afraid of wearing something that would look like a woman blouse. You know, I wonder if you don't really see the factor of it. Meanwhile, you are complaining about Shaggy wearing a blouse. Shaggy is bringing in the income. Shaggy know who he is. So Shaggy is bringing in the income while you all out there is complaining about Shaggy and wondering if Shaggy is a fish. People who don't know easy. But remember, I saw my fellow Jamaicans there. Once my fellow Jamaicans see any Jamaicans wearing anything will look femalish, them going to burn you out. So Shaggy, get ready because you go get burned left, right, and center. But Shaggy, continue to collect your money wearing your pink blouse with your pearl around your neck. Me wouldn't wear it, but me is none of my business. So me go leave that alone. Now, this now is none of my business either, but it's my business. And my business, but a funny business. If you don't understand what I say, here what happen now. When you're a friend with a person that you do anything and everything with, and you become enemy, it's one of the worst things you can ever do in your life. When friend turn enemy. Lord have his mercy. God come down upon this earth. We need you down here. Jesus, we need you. Buju Banton and Weenie Wonder wife become enemy. And it has spilled all out the street. However, we have to be honest. Weenie Wonder up till now have not disrespect Buju Banton. Weenie Wonder up till now have not disrespect anybody for Buju Banton. And I go be honest with you. Buju, he's a legend, he's a good artist, he's a nice artist, he's a bad artist. Guys, when me say, when friend turn enemy. So guys, me know when Winnie Wonder and Buju a friend. Me know that because me used to go to town go buy record, down a techniques, down a sonic sound, down a everywhere me go. Everywhere me go. All up a penthouse. We did figure get a dub plate from Buju to play with Rambo International with senior daily and financial selector. We love that. And when you take it out, when we reach, Buju gone. So we end up get Mega Banton. Yeah man, we end up get Mega Banton. And when we go at the dance up a fellowship, down at the in the walk there with the when them do the banana, me I tell you, we play the Mega Banton. And them tell we say, I know Mega Banton that. Them play Buju Banton right through the night. So me know what me I talk about. But listen me good. Buju, me not go tell you no lie. You disrespect Winnie Wonder. You disrespect yourself. And you disrespect the music fraternity. And you disrespect woman. Yes. Now guys, listen to what Buju Banton say. Listen to what Buju Banton say. Take a listen.
You know what make this morning happy? Because I get up and I can see my enemy them clear. The worst kind of man to me is the man that make a woman control him and go out there, go make enemy feel him and can't say nothing about it. In other words, you're just a big stinking see. Me say to Uno say, if Uno write such a song, why not can't replicate it? Uno can't replicate it. Because Uno never write it. So don't come from my timeline with no fuckery. Don't get a life. I know I'm an enemy and some big stinking girl, some girl for the man get concert. Have me up in them feeling, but remember when I got prison, you tell me say me envy your man, cause I said myself a prisoner, your man a superstar. Your man never no superstar. Well, we are work together as youths. Get your crutches in order. I'm mind your geet up. I'm mind spill your beans and spill your files. Don't disrespect. I love my brother with all of my heart, but if I can't control him dog them 9 yards, somebody else have to control them. I don't mean some me talk. SYM. Born a right murderer. I don't want to stink like blood clot shit, and I can't even write a good letter. Talk to me now. When you can't even write a blood clot letter. If you don't write that, I go retire. Move from a bomb clot to go find a life, on a low life soul. Want to find something to do, man. Go suck a cock and make a man fucking your whole idiot girl and go. Learn that. I want to say this, I got this, you know. Come in and rate, you know. Idiot girl, I say, I come in your house as a youth, and you try to give me a plate for sit down on your back step for eat, and your mother for look on you and say, don't treat Mark, so. Big stinking idiot blood clot girl. I think I look at you, this is my friend, I never slept on the bridge. Don't try me, come on talk on the things then, come I don't care. Yeah, me a Lana there from me at 90, you think Lana don't make me come out of the house with my arms smell. Lana take care of me from me at 18 till me at 36, idiot girl. Go broke your neck under your mama pussy hole. Hear that? And don't send me no more voice message and no more DM, come here come put and play it publicly. Sodomite.
Buju, there's no way you should have do that. You call the lady dog, and you, as a big man, I talk about what you know what the lady used to do or what you say she used to do when you know young. He's a big man, big respectable man. Respectable man. And for you in an aeroplane and I talk those kind of things because your voice loud, that simply means you don't even respect yourself. Yeah, you don't have no respect for yourself, and you don't have no respect for human being, and you don't have no respect for woman, and you disrespect the music fraternity. Yeah, man. Most people now talk, but they might grumble under them breath. There's no way you should have come out and I disrespect the man's wife like that. The man who used to be a virgin. I remember say you and Buju Banton and Frankie Sly write the tune. You say that. Listen to what Buju say.
Born a right murderer. I don't want to stink like blood clot shit, and I can't even write a good letter.
The media Japan a place named Takamatsu, Tokyo. I mean, get the news on a cell phone, say Paned dead, and I sit down in a hotel lobby. Me, Frankie Sly, and Wayne one and write a song named Murderer.
You hear what Buju say? Him and Frankie Sly and Wayne Wonder, right, Murderer. So the thing is, if you sit down and look into what go on, it don't make no sense. It no sound good, Buju. It no sound good. And me watch some interview with Wayne Wonder, and all Wayne Wonder says how the thing go. And up till now, Wayne Wonder, me no hear Wayne Wonder disrespect you. Me no hear Wayne Wonder disrespect you. So to me, there shouldn't be no disrespect in it. Greediness. Me hear you say, I talk about greedy. And me go say this to you about the greedy part. If you say, I Wayne Wonder, you and Frankie Sly, right, Murderer, then it should have be fear. That's everything cut equal. Not because you do the song. Because again, most of the song them were them right. The delivery. Them couldn't deliver the song like how you deliver it. Because them couldn't deliver it like Murderer. Murderer could only be delivered by you. Now, Muta Baroka now is saying that you wanna pick out piece of him song and put it in a phone song. So you see what me I say? There is a problem in the music, and guess what happened? 30 years ago, Muta Baroka never said nothing. Now all of a sudden Muta Baroka come out. I say something. This is the problem in the music. If you know say the man use a part of your music, send him a message. Say, yo, Buju, Wanda, and Frankie. You know say am I part of, am I saying that in another song, you know? Is either you know say take it out, or give me a thing out of it. It's simple. To me it's simple. To Uno, it's different because it's all about the power. But Uno mash up the music business, and then Uno go around attack all kind of cultural and confidential thing. But the thing is, to me, is right now, the music business nasty. It don't look good. Yeah, man, that's my opinion. It don't look good, it don't sound good, it don't feel good. If you know, say, veterans in the business are fight against one another. Yeah, veterans in the business are fight against each other. Who fi get money, nah get none. Who no fi get none, I get. Me hear another thing. When me a listen and me I say to myself, say, well name, Delhi Ranks. Yeah, Delhi Ranks I say, yo Virgin, cool it. It not need to go so. Many people come out and I say and advise them opinion. And if you realize, if you listen to all of them, we advise some opinion. Buju, you have a lot for answer to. Me hear a man say, no man no send you go to prison. No man no send you go to prison. You send yourself. So it's like, Buju, in my opinion, I believe say calling the lady dog wasn't a good thing. Disrespecting the lady wasn't a good thing. Yeah, me not think it was a good thing. I believe it's a very sad thing. Yeah, man, I believe it's a very sad thing. So, guys, go and listen to what Buju have to say. Have a good day. I'm out.